If you want to support free education in Cambodia, if you want to support feeding the hungry or the stray animals, go to any of the links you see on your screen or click the links down below and donate today. You'll receive exclusive videos, pictures, books, and more if you do, and it's appreciated. What's up, guys? It is Sunday, and I heard about a little store on Facebook, and we wanted to come check it out and show you guys. Probably walked by here because it's right here on the main street headed downtown. Burger King's right down the road there, and probably never noticed it. But that's it right there. M1A products from Japan, and as you can see on the sign, the price is always 8,000 real. So $2, basically. It's like a dollar store except $2. So if they allow me to film, I'm gonna go in here and take a look. Grab the door, please. Thank you. See what they have. Everything in here is just $2. Nice air conditioner. Feels good. We have office supplies over here. Cleaning supplies, air fresheners. Ooh, of course, drinks. Yeah. Various sunglasses, bags, hangers. Sorry, that fan was blowing right into the clocks. Different clocks so you can tell what time it is. Oh, look, they have belts, suspenders, if you're into those. More bags. Yeah, clock. Looks like they have ice cube trays. Things for your household. Colanders, bowls. Plates. Very nice. And even utensils over here. They don't have big frying pans, of course, for $2, but they have the little ones. Little pots and pans. Scissors. Baking racks. Yeah, they have a lot of things in here. This is my first time. Pretty nice. Pretty good too. Pretty good price. Little throw pillows. Hair products. Hats. More hair stuff. You can get yourself a mirror. Only $2. Everything. Oh, they have proper plates over here if you want those. A whole selection. Look, they got cups and glasses and plates and bowls. How did I not know this place existed before? Little hand towels. If you need a tie, you can even get a tie. Yeah. I already have a glass at home like that, but when I make coffee at home, that's what I put it in. Got things for the kids back here, little toys and masks, balls. Ooh, yeah, I want to bring some of these out to the kids in the village. I see them playing a lot with sticks. Maybe get them a couple, one of those. Maybe a couple soccer balls. They had that big field. And get the girls some dowels or something. I'm actually pretty impressed. Now, some of these items you might be able to find for $1 cheaper, but for the most part, this is a really good deal. And you don't have to bargain, because of course everything is $2. The price always 8,000 real. And pens and office paper supplies, calculators, headphones, and tools. If you need some tools for your home. Yes, I really like this store. Flashlights. Pillows. Here's the thing, all the chairs and everything over here are hard. So for $2, getting yourself $4, get yourself a couple pillows. Yeah, everything $2. Yeah. Yeah. She's asking me how much. Everything's $2. Ooh, they even have slippers, little rugs, flip-flops. Oh, socks. They have socks. That's awesome. I am always running out of socks. I would wear shoes more often, except I don't have any socks to wear with them. And it looks like, well, let's see. Cleaning supplies, cleaners, lotion dispensers, little broom and dustpans, oh yeah. Honestly, this is about a 10-minute walk from our apartment, so that is just really good. Oh, shampoo. Now, shampoo is pretty expensive here, as is soap. So $2 is actually really good. We usually pay about $3.50 for the brand we use now. Same size. So that is a good deal. towels and things. Men's long nylon body towel. Let's see here. Ooh, that's rough. That's not a towel. Kind of like a scrubby thing. That's not my style. Alright guys, that's it. A little walk around the $2 store. It's called the MI/A. You look for it on Google Maps. It's right off the main road going to downtown. But it's right before the Burger King. Oh, plungers. Eventually, I am going to need a plunger. I won't go into details why, but yeah, trust me on that. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. All right, guys, be sure to check out all my links down below. If you want to donate through PayPal, if you want to join my Patreon, or buymeacoffee.com/DDC, which you don't even have to sign up for. All those donations are going for several humanitarian things here. We educate and teach English to kids for free that can't afford to go to school. We sponsor part of a village in the countryside. We go out there a couple times a week and feed them, and also bring them bags of rice and other things so they have something to eat throughout the week. And occasionally Sunlight will cook, and we'll box it up, go out, and pass it out to anybody that wants it. And it's only possible because of your donations. So be sure to check out those links. There's a lot of people vlogging in Cambodia. Those links are down below. Those are great channels. You should check them out. Links to all my social media are down below, as well as links to all my books, t-shirts, and everything else. It's all appreciated, and I want to say thank you to all my supporters. It really means a lot, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.